Today, we have iPhone 14 Pro for storage upgrade. This device is now 256 GB, but we are going to upgrade this up to 512 GB. So let's upgrade this. First, carefully removing the screen and the motherboard. It takes little time, so I'm fast forwarding this. Okay, the motherboard has came out. Now we can upgrade the old disk to a new one. To do that, I have to remove this glued covers one by one. Now I'm using a hot air blower to remove the old NAND disk. This requires a precise hand. One wrong move and the entire motherboard could be damaged. You can see some black epoxy glue on both sides. I need to clean up those before the new NAND installation. I'm also making this part fast forward to save some time. All right, everything's cleaned up and ready for the new NAND installation. This is a fresh 512 GB NAND, so let's get it installed on the motherboard. Now, I'm carefully placing the new NAND in position and applying hot air to its surface. This melts the soldering paste underneath, ensuring a strong and secure connection with the motherboard. It gets pretty hot when using the hot air blower, so before putting the motherboard back into the smartphone, we need to let it cool. All right, now I'm putting everything back in place. If I were to show every step, like waterproofing, reattaching covers, and restoring the software, it would make this video way too long. So let's keep it simple. Here we go. You can clearly see the device storage is now 512 GB, and everything is working perfectly. This upgrade solution works on almost all the latest iPhones, so if you need yours device upgraded, feel free to contact us. That's all for today. See you on next video. Till then, this is Aries Mobile. Happy to serve.